It took a lot of time. It took many people to plan it and to make it possible and to bring the abilities to the end. With a lot of capabilities can do it. Not everyone. This operation, as I understand it, made to be start of war. And I think that it's made out because it was necessary to bring it out yesterday and not because that was a real time to do it. I think something made the operation made faster or not in the time that the operation need to be. The only problem here is that it's only one-time operation. This operation you can't do again, and it's bring lot of ideas to our enemies also, and they understand from it a lot, and we can't remind it. We can't copy it and remind it again, but they can copy it and try to harm us also in the same way or similar to this.